Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 3500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include engine, 6.7L i6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, area, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries, Cummins turbo diesel badge, heavy-duty engine cooling supplemental heater, gross vehicle weight, 12,300 pounds, current generation engine controller, diesel exhaust brake, capless fuel fill with O discriminator, diamond black crystal pearl coat, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper, chrome grille, surround matte black mesh with chrome grille, bright front bumper, rear wheelhouse liners, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs, wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 steel chrome clad and quick order package 2HA Tradesman included.